Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting up a simple stovetop steam bath because steam reheats without drying the cake. Place a skillet on medium-low, pour 1/2-inch water and bring to a gentle simmer. While the water heats, put the unwrapped lava cake on a heat-proof plate that fits inside the pan. That keeps the cake elevated above direct water. Once the surface is simmering, carefully lower the plate into the skillet, cover tightly with a lid to trap steam, and proceed to the next step. You now steam the cake slowly so the center softens while the exterior stays tender. Make sure the water is simmering gently, not boiling, because violent bubbles push moisture and make soggy edges. Cover and let steam for 4-6 minutes if the cake is room temperature, or 7-9 minutes from the fridge. Timing varies by cake size. Once done, lift the lid and tilt the plate to inspect the center. If it jiggles slightly, you have the molten heart. Otherwise, steam 1 minute more. You finish by letting the cake rest for 1 minute so the thin crust firms and unmolding is easier. This keeps the lava intact. If the center is still too cool, cover loosely with foil and steam an additional 1 to 2 minutes rather than increasing heat, because higher temperatures overcook edges. Troubleshooting. If the cake becomes soggy, reduce steaming time and dry the pan briefly next time. If it's overcooked, serve warm with ice cream to recreate contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.